Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. Forces acting on a particle have magnitudes of 3 and 6 units and act in the direction of the vectors 1, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 2 respectively. If a particle is displaced from a point A 5 minus 2, to a point B minus 1, 3, 2, find the work done by the force. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to find about the unit vector. So we have two vectors in here, so we find two of them. So we have this unit vector in here is about 1, 2, minus 2. So we find the unit vector number 1 is about 1i plus 2j minus 2k, and in here we have 1, 2 and minus 2, so we have 1 power 2 plus 2 power 2 plus minus 2 power 2, and we got about the number is about 1 over 3, and we put this in the bracket. Similar this one, we have minus 2i minus ij plus 2k, and we have the minus 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, and we got about 1 over 3 multiply this one. The next one, that is about the magnitude of vector. So we have two vector in here, so we have two force. So we have number 3, so we remove this one. And this is about the force number 1. Now the force number 2. We have 6 multiply the unit vector, and we got about 2 multiply everything inside the bracket. And now the third step, we need to find about resultant of vector. So we sum f1 and f2 together. Now we can find the answer. One plus minus 4 is about minus 3i. 2 multiply 2j plus 2 multiply with minus 1, you got about 0, minus 2, and we have 2 multiply with 2k, you got about 2k in here. The next one about the distance AB. So we find about the distance AB from like this: minus 1 minus a 3 minus 5 2 minus 2. So that's about the positive side in here. So we got about minus 9, minus 2, and number 4. So now we have work is about F multiplied with D. So we in here we have minus 9. We input in the I in here. We don't have J, we don't need to minus 2. We have 4 put in the K. So we find the work in here is about 35, and this is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.